Baltimore County Public Schools Secondary ESOL Newcomers class. My name is Ms. Hanson. I work in the office of ESOL. Here's a picture of me with one of my dogs called Archie. Let's start working on learning more English. Today we're going to look at a lesson from the week of April 20th, 2020. Natural resources. Let's say that again. Natural resources. Here we have some wood. Wood comes from trees. Here we have air, which creates wind. Here we have water in a waterfall. Here we have oil being drilled. Here we have coal. Which natural resource is the most important in your life? Look at the pictures again. Oil, coal, water, wind, wood. Which one is most important in your life? I think water is most important in my life. What about you? Let's have a look at today's objective. Read the objective to yourself or to somebody watching with you. Now let's read the objective together. Students will be able to read an informational text about water in order to identify why water is important for all living things. So what are we going to do today? We're going to read. What are we going to read today? Informational text. What are we going to read about? Water. Why are we reading about water? In order to identify why water is important for all living things. Let's read the informational text. Water. What is it? Water is the colorless liquid covering about 3/4 of planet Earth. Water fills lakes. Here's a lake. Rivers. Here's a river. And oceans. Here is an ocean. It falls from clouds as rain, snow, or sleet. Water is a part of all living things. Take a look at the highlighted words. Lakes. Here is a lake. Say that word again. Lakes. Rivers. Here is a river. Say that word again. Rivers. Oceans. Here is an ocean. Say that word again. Oceans. Where does water come from? Rain, snow, sleet. Look at the words again. Rain, snow, sleet. Oceans hold most of Earth's water. It is salt water that is not safe for humans to drink. What type of water do we have in the ocean? Salt water. Most of Earth's fresh water is in glaciers. This is a glacier. Where does most of Earth's fresh water come from? Glaciers. Rivers and lakes also hold fresh water. Some is stored underground. Groundwater is just what it sounds like. It is water under the ground. Rain and snow soak deep into the ground inside rock cracks. The water collects in an underground lake called an aquifer. What is an aquifer? Underground lake. Here is a picture of an aquifer, an underground lake. Where does groundwater come from? Groundwater is water under the ground. Water has allowed all forms of life to grow and flourish. Living things use water for drinking, and humans also use it for cooking, cleaning, and many other purposes. People have created electricity from the power of moving water. They have created systems to gather and purify water. Then it can be delivered to homes and businesses for use using a faucet. Have a look at the highlighted words. Say them again. Grow, flourish, drinking, cooking, cleaning, other purposes. Electricity, power, moving water. Gather, purify, faucet. Let's think about water in your life. How big a role does water play in your life? Take a piece of paper. Draw 3 columns. 1, 2, 3. In the first column, write the time you used water. How long did you use the water for? In the second column, write the purpose for using water. Why did you use water? In the third column, write amount of water used. How much water did you use? Let's look at an example. Today, from 7 a.m. to 7:08 a.m., I used water. This was the time I used water. What was the purpose for using water? Why did I use water today from 7 a.m. to 7:08 a.m.? My morning shower. I wanted to get clean and it helped me wake up. How much water did I use? What was the amount of water used? One shower from 7 a.m. to 7:08 a.m. is 8 minutes. In 8 minutes, I used 17 gallons or 65 liters of water. Wow, that is a lot of water. No wonder I need to keep my showers short. On your piece of paper, write down some other times that you have used water. What else did you do when you used water? What was the purpose? And how much water do you think you used? So what do you think? Do you use a little water or a lot of water? A small amount or a large amount? I know I use a large amount of water. Now that we've read about water, we are going to look at a paragraph that I have written using the information that we learned. But there are some empty blank spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 empty spaces in my paragraph about water. Here on the left-hand side, we have a word bank. Let's count how many words we see in the word bank. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many words were missing in the paragraph? 9. So we are going to use one of these words for each one of the missing blank spaces. Before we do that, let's look at the word bank. Every word came from the informational text that we read about today. Let's read the words together. Faucet. Say it again. Faucet. Salt water. Say it again. Salt water. Cook. Say it again. Cook. Clean. Say it again. Clean. Water. Say it again. Water. Drinking. Say it again. Drinking. fresh water. Say it again. Fresh water. Live. Say it again. Live. Fresh. Say it again. Fresh. Now let's look at the paragraph. As I read the paragraph, follow along. Blank is important for every human being and living thing. Every day, I need water to blank my food, blank my body and clothes, and it is especially important for blank. There are different types of water. Blank found in the oceans and blank found in lakes, rivers, and underground. This is when it's called groundwater. Every creature must drink water in order to blank. The water they drink is blank water from a lake, river, or blank. Once again, look at the 9 words in the word bank. You decide which words should fill the blank spaces. Okay, let's see how you did. So here we have the word bank. Let's say the words again. Faucet, salt water, cook, clean, water, drinking, fresh water, live, fresh. Now we're going to see if you got the correct word from the word bank to fill the blank empty spaces. Water is important for every human being and living thing. Every day I need water to cook my food, clean my body and clothes, and it is especially important for drinking. There are different types of water. Salt water found in the oceans and fresh water found in lakes, rivers, and underground. This is when it's called groundwater. Every creature must drink water in order to live. The water they drink is fresh water from a lake, river, or faucet. Did you get them right? Good job. Let's go back to our objective for today's lesson. We said that students will be able to read. Did you read? Yes, good job. An informational text. What did you read about? You read about water. Good job. And why did we read about water? In order to identify why water is important for all living things. Great job. You did it. Now I want you to tell the people in your home why water is important for all living things. See you next time. Bye.